We are bringing back Paldean Fates today in search for the mystic, the secretive illustration Mew. This Mew, I kid you not, has been missing from my collection for months, and my shiny Mew from the celebration set is starting to get lonely. So let's pop our Mew there as a good luck charm and start with our 10 packs today in search for the shiny Mew. Even though, to be fair, I would take the Charizard EX as well. So let's start it off with a cactus called Marcus. We got a Gengar, full tongue action going on there. An electric generator, and straight off with a banger. We already have a full REX. That could be a good luck sign there. We've got a Charmander and a Raichu. Oh, can't forget the water energy. And there is the code for those of you watching at home, which will be everyone. One thing I hate about opening Pokemon packs is they're always quite tough to open. Always, again, fumbling it on live. Okay, so we've got a Natu, a rare candy, a cotton bud, a pine cone, a bat, a nice little town, and a reverse holo, followed by another reverse holo, and a EX card, a hat, a bird with a hat which squawks, followed by our energy. Not too bad so far, off to a great start. Could be a sign of better things to come. Code there. And let's get into this. We got some students. Lapras. Lapras was my OG Pokemon. Like, I remember the first time I opened a pack of cards, I got a Lapras, a holo Lapras. I want to say it was like Fossil. It was one of the original sets. I still have that Lapras to this day somewhere. But yeah, that was like the first holo I ever got. On to the next pack. QR code, and we have a water, a rat, a bat, a oink, a moonlit hill, very romantic, and we've got our first shiny card already. You know what? These packs here could be go-to today. Today could be the day. I'm feeling it today. I'm feeling that pack magic. This pack here is feeling a bit heavy in my hand. I'm feeling like this is going to be a banger. What do you think the energy is going to be? I'm going to go for a fire prediction for this time. And we have a TM, an octopus backpack. You need your backpack. A Dolphin. We have a Clive and a Professor's Research. What did I say? Fire energy. On to the next one. Does anyone actually play the online game? I've yet to meet anyone that actually plays online. If you play online, let me know. Is it any good? What is the hype saying? And does anyone actually get those QR codes, or are they always taken up like within the first second? So we've got a graveyard dog, a bat, and an executor, and a electric energy. Not too bad. The pack magic is dying a little bit. Why can I not get this open? Okay, so we have a Maschiff, a Routes, Magma, a Donut Dog, a Nestball, a lot of Nestballs in this, a Lantern, another shiny. The shiny luck is rolling on. What is Donnie holding there? Looks like a corn dog. A bat, oh, we've had that already, and a steel energy. Also, what do people do with their energies? The amount of energies that just must be floating around in the world, not getting used. How many people still play the card game? I'd be curious to know as well, do you still play the card game? I've yet to meet someone that's actually played the card game. That might be a good video idea, going to like one of those competitions and just vlogging what goes on. A Paldean Whooper. And another EX. We are getting closer and closer. I can feel it in this pack. 2 packs left. Are we going to find that illustration Mew? The main pull, I'd want to say the main pull in this set. Unless you're a Charizard man and you're going for that Charizard. What the f back into this pack. Yeah. So let's see what we got. QR code, a bat, a mime, haunter, a chime, an oink dog, a Clyde, a primate, EX. It's raining EX today. Look at my Donny here. Totacruel. I don't even know what a Totacruel is. I'll be honest. I haven't. Oh, we have pulled a banger right there. It's not an illustration Mew, but we've pulled a Palmy. Don't know what a Palmy is. As I was saying, I haven't played the recent sets. I'm more of like a Gen 1 to Gen 3 man. Any Gen after 3 over my head. So this is me trying to get back into the newer gens. Charmander, Denny, and oh, it might not be the illustration Mew, but again, another shiny, and it is a Slowbro shiny. I would take that. What we were talking about, Gen 1 to 3. Look what we've got there, repping that nostalgia today. And we will follow it off with a electric energy, electric for this video. Unfortunately, we did not find the illustration Mew in this video, so our shiny Mew is gonna have to stay lonely a bit longer. But make sure you subscribe, because we will be opening more packs on search for that mystic Mew.